Just like it was growing up in our sweet islands of Trinidad and Tobago, sweetbread still maintains an important presence on our tables and in our kitchens around Easter, Thanksgiving, or Christmas holidays, and throughout the year as well. My sweetbread recipe results in a bread that's addictive and crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside, a perfect balance of texture and holiday flavors. I like my sweetbread loaded with the rich taste of coconut, with not too much raisins or mixed fruit, but just enough so that you get a hint of those flavors. If you like an abundance of mixed fruit, you can increase up to a cup and decrease the sugar because the mixed fruit is very sweet. If you don't enjoy biting into the small pieces of mixed fruit, you can place it in the food processor to break up the chunks if you're one of those who dislike the taste of mixed fruit like me, or you can eliminate it altogether and replace the amount stated in the recipe with raisins. If you would love this Trini sweetbread on your holiday table or would like to gift to friends, let's start baking. In a large mixing bowl, combine 4 cups of all-purpose flour, about 2 cups of brown sugar. You can use equal parts of brown and white sugar, ½ teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and I use aluminum-free baking powder because it's healthier. And then we'll give it a good mix to thoroughly combine. And now we'll stir in the freshly grated dried coconut. You may also use unsweetened flaked coconut or pre-frozen grated coconut from your frozen section in the supermarket. I'm also adding ½ cup of seedless raisins and ½ cup of mixed fruit. As I said before, you can increase these according to your preference. I'm also adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of grated ginger. In a large measuring cup, I'll measure out about 3/4 cups of evaporated milk, and then I'll add 1 stick of melted butter along with 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 2 eggs beaten, and then I'll whisk to combine. I'll add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix until it's thoroughly combined. You will be happy to know that there is no kneading involved in this bread. It's easy peasy. The dough should not be dry but slightly sticky. Note that it will be stickier if you're using frozen grated coconut, as it contains more moisture. You'll also need to grease 2 bread pans, and I did not have my bread pans at this house, so I'm using these baking pans, which turned out okay. We'll divide the dough into two, form into a loaf with our hands, and place it into the prepared pans. Place it in the preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll bake it until it's fully cooked and or a toothpick or skewer comes out clean, about 60 to 90 minutes. The time varies depending on your oven. After 60 minutes, I checked it and the top was still very soft, so I kept it in the oven for another 15 minutes. The smaller bread took less time than the larger one. Towards the end of cooking, I mixed brown sugar with water and I brushed it on the surface of the sweetbread to form a nice crunchy crust. Another good indicator that the bread is ready is the whole house smells heavenly. Let me take another bite for you. It's absolutely glorious. There's a taste of coconut. It's crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. That brown sugar is pretty amazing. Strong coconut flavor. And the essence is coming through as well. All the warm spices. I hope you give this one a try. It's pretty amazing. The sugar on top has formed a nice crunchy layer. There are your raisins and your mixed peel. It has a slight hint of mixed peel because I don't like too much mixed peel, but if you like more, certainly add more. I'm going to enjoy another piece. It's so yummy. So absolutely delicious and scrumptious. You don't need tea or anything else with this. See that crunchy bit here? That's my favorite part. And that's all there is to it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed being in the kitchen with me or learned something new. Share this video with your social media community. Email or tag me on Facebook or Instagram if you try any of my recipes. As always, do leave me a lovely comment below. I love hearing from you. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe if you wish to be a part of the Cooking with Ria family. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share and love. Bye bye.